Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share to you what I had for Christmas. It's one of the gifts that I really like during the Christmas season. And as you all know guys, I've been doing videos for a while, and when I was doing those videos, I am actually just using my iPhone. And now I am so excited because I have a new camera that I can use for vlogging. One thing's for sure, I'm excited. So, are you ready? That's right. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be updated to my next videos. Okay, so now, you ready? Okay, we are going to do the unboxing. Here it is. There it is. It's brand new. There you go. It looks like it just looks like a GoPro, but it's not a GoPro. It's really cute. Look at that. And I'm gonna unbox it, and we are all gonna unbox it at the same time. You excited? Yay! So for you guys who already have this vlogging camera or this kind of camera, maybe you can share to me some tips on how to use it. And now I am going to unbox it. It is an Osmo Action by DJY. There you go. It's gonna be tiny. It's cute. So the back, it says it has a dual screen. So it has a screen in front and also at the back of the camera. It has a 4K HDR. It has a 4K EIS, I don't know what it is. It also have a 4K 60p, I don't know what that is too. I'm not the techie. It has 1080p 8x 11 meter waterproof, so it's also waterproof. That's awesome, you know, because you can use it taking videos like underwater. That's awesome. And it had this box, or this camera comes with this box, comes with an Osmo Action, which is the camera itself, camera frame included, curved adhesive mount, a battery case, USB-C cable, a USB-C, a locking screw, a quick release base, and a flat adhesive mount. And this actually, you can also get an app for you to fully enjoy its features. So I'm not there yet. Right now I'm just going to open it, unbox it together with you guys, okay? I think everybody's ready. Okay. The plastic wrapper is already gone. And next is... There's the camera. Here it is. So the camera is right here. But first, what is that? Okay. So it has kind of like a protection for the camera right here, the box itself, not to scratch the camera. So that's really good. And then I'm gonna start taking out what's inside this little box. Okay. This one, I think this is the mounting. I think this is the curved adhesive mount. Yeah, it's curved adhesive mount. It comes with the USB itself. It's right there. It's inside the plastic. And the locking screw is also inside. I'm gonna show you guys. The USB and the locking screw and the curb mount. So they all come together. Let me put this on the side. And then it also comes with a lot of things inside this little box. Quick release base. I don't know how you use this quick release base. If anybody knows how to use this on this camera, leave your comment below. Teach me. Okay. And then it also comes with, of course, the battery. Wow, I think it's a pretty big battery for the unit itself. We'll see. And then there's more. Oh, so it's just basically something there now. That's the manual. Just the manual for the camera. And then something drops. It's just some information about the website and everything. Their page on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube channel. So it's like this little thing right here. And then it also, that's pretty much it. So basically it has the USB, the battery case. It was actually a battery case. So this is a battery case. A battery case inside the battery case is a battery. That makes sense. So that's just like they have this case for the battery. And then the main star is right here. The camera. Dual screen. So yeah, this is the bigger screen. And this is the small screen. And I think it's also a touch screen at the same time. There you go. I'm excited to use it. I am actually gonna share it to you guys the moment I already know how to use this thing. I am gonna share it with you guys. But for now, I'm gonna charge it so that I can use it and share it with you at the same time. So this is the Osmo Action by DJI. There you go. I'm excited. I have a new blogging machine. And it's very tiny. And the best thing is it's 4K too, you know. And it has 2 cameras in front and at the back. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day everyone.